Hi, my name is George Rabayo. I am currently enrolled at Thaddeus Stevens College, and my major is architecture. I've always been an athletic person. I enjoyed being physically active, and I have played a decent amount of sports throughout the years. I enjoyed the sports I played, but never found a sense of calmness or an escape. I just played them for fun. About 7 months ago, my friend asked me to go to the gym with him. At the time, I was not the biggest fan, and I went once a month or not at all. I was very scared and insecure because I didn't feel comfortable. I did not want to be judged or embarrassed. Throughout the workouts, it was very intense for me. I was out of my comfort zone. But nearing the end, I actually enjoyed it, and I wanted to come back the next day, which I did. And I got a membership at Crunch Fitness near Park City Mall, which is still where I currently lift. This gym is very nice in my opinion. I really enjoy the people there, the community there. Super nice people, always giving advice, never no one being rude. The gym for some people is where they can go to the gym, stay fit, lift some weights, and just really push themselves to meet their goal. The gym for me quickly became my place of refuge where I felt safe. At times where I found myself frustrated, mad, sad, mentally tired, whatever it was, I went to the gym to cool off, just get my mind off things and just calm down. I put my headphones on, I went to work, and it was just me and the weights and no one else. The activities I partake in are, lifting. Each day hits a certain type of muscle, which are called splits. Here's my splits right here on the screen. On Monday, I hit legs. On Tuesday, I hit chest, shoulders, and triceps. And Wednesday, I hit back and bicep. And it repeats again on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is a rest day. And here, let me just tell you one of my favorite exercises for each muscle part. For legs, I love the hack squat. It really depends on where you put your feet. It can work different types of muscles, but usually I do it so it can hit the quads, and I absolutely love the burn. For chest, my favorite chest workout is the incline bench press, which really works the upper part of your chest. And a close second is the dumbbell pullover. And for arms, I really enjoy the waiter curls, which really activate your biceps throughout the entire exercise. Really gets your blood pumping and gives you a nice pump. For lifting, it has always been around for a very long time. It goes back to 2,000 years ago to the first evidence, which is the Zhou dynasty in China. And it was also very prominent in the Greek civilization, which is shown in some statues and how aesthetic their physiques are. It mostly shows the epitome of an amazing body, which is what it should look like and set the standard. And personally, it is my goal to look like one of them. The gym really has taught me a lot of different things. It has taught me perseverance, discipline, and a lot of life lessons, and also became my place of refuge. Made me feel safe and at home. So, thank you for listening, and this is why the gym is my place of refuge.